right, hello. So I had somebody email asking about question 7 from exercise 1C. I'll do a couple questions around that part. This is really just getting used to geometric sequences and finding missing terms. So I'll do question 7 and then I'll look at question 6 and question 8 as well, just for some bonus content. So question 7, this is on page 27 if you're following along. So question 7 just says we've got three numbers, 3a plus 1, a plus 2, and a minus 4. And those are three consecutive terms of a geometric sequence. And so what that means is that to get from one term to the next, you're multiplying by the common ratio, usually using the letter r. And so we're multiplying by the common ratio there again. So if you want to put that in terms of equations, you can say 3a plus 1 times r is equal to a plus 2, and um, a plus 2 times r is equal to a minus 4. And if you set those equal to each other, what you can do is solve for the letter r first and then set them equal to each other. So r is going to equal a plus 2 over 3a plus 1. R is also going to equal a minus 4 over a plus 2. Then I can work just with this. Cross multiplying, I'll get a squared plus 4a plus 4 equals, let's see, probably make a mistake here, 3a squared minus 12a, so minus 11a minus 4. I think that's right. 3a squared, there's negative 12. Okay, that looks good to me. And then we got a quadratic, so let's make everything equal to 0. So subtract a squared, subtract 4a, subtract 4. I bet this factors. So we could say 2a times a. In order to get 15 here, I'm going to need to multiply 2 times 8 and 8 times 1. Oops. Then here I can do plus 1 and minus 8 to make all the signs match up. And so then my two values for a are negative 1/2. I'll use a different color. And a equals 8. And those give me two different answers for r. So I'm going to go back here. We substituted what r is. R is equal to a plus 2 over 3a plus 1. So according to negative 1/2, we have negative 1/2 plus 2. 3 times negative 1/2 plus 1. What does that come out to be? 1.5. And that's negative 1.5 over negative 0.5. So I guess that makes an r value of negative 3. The other one says that a equals 8. So then r equals 8 plus 2 over 3 times 8 plus 1, which makes 10 over 25 right there. You can also double check your answer by looking at the other definition of what r is and just making sure that you still get negative 3 for the red a value and 10 over 25 for the purple r value. Okay, and that should be good for number 7. So if all you needed was number 7, feel free to stop watching. I wanted to show how to do number